In 2025, the Dr. Emma pumpkin seed recipe is being marketed as a natural, easy approach to weight loss and digestive health. Also referred to as the bariatric seed ritual, the method involves blending raw pumpkin seeds with water, sometimes mixed with turmeric or cinnamon, and drinking it before meals. Advocates claim it can help shed up to 25 pounds by supporting metabolism and reducing hunger, thanks to the seed's fiber, protein, and mineral content. However, a deeper investigation reveals several concerns. There's no credible proof that Dr. Emma Clark is a licensed medical expert, and most sources promoting her discovery redirect to aggressive sales pages for overpriced supplements instead of sharing an actual recipe. Independent consumer groups and review sites highlight the use of questionable marketing tactics, including unrealistic before and after photos, made-up endorsements, and misleading references to FDA backing that doesn't exist. While a few reports mention better digestion or minor weight loss, the testimonials often appear unverified or come from paid actors. Pumpkin seeds themselves are nutritious and can be part of a healthy diet, but there is no scientific research confirming that consuming them in this particular method causes major weight loss. The promotion largely appears to be a strategy to sell high-priced supplements by preying on those seeking effortless solutions. It's best to consult a qualified healthcare provider and be skeptical of bold health claims lacking clinical evidence or transparency.